Now this is the back sheet which is being kept, and they are putting up, they are laminating the back sheet on this side, on which it is written that EVA side L. Although it is not very much clear in the picture, but they are putting up this side on the EVA. Now as you can see that it can be removed by the hands only. Now this is अभी नहीं निकला ना, थोड़ा सा ये ऐसे निकलता हूँ। Now as you can see, this can be very easily removed, and this is a sample of the jolly wood. Now this again is lamination which is done by the Kovame backsheet. This backsheet is a Kovame backsheet, and you can see by putting a lot of pressure by the hands and the plier, it cannot be removed. This is, we have put the EVA, and this is the Hangzhou first hot melt EVA. We are putting up the half of the backsheet on the either side. Now in this class, as you can see, this is from the mark का इसका. This is from this side. This piece is from this side, and other one is from the other side. Now this is, we have set the laminator on 133 degrees centigrade for 23 minutes. Now already the glass with the backsheet has been gone, the dummy, and this is the progress which is being showed up at the laminator, wherein we have put at 133 degrees centigrade temperature for 23 minutes. And this is the laminator. This is the laminator. Now we are going to make the module as you have told from this box, backsheet. जा रहा है साहब, प्लायर लाना एकदम, आपको अंदाजा पड़ जाएगा ना कितने देर में। बहुत आराम से गया, बहुत आराम से. As you can see from the plier and from the by the thumb, it can be removed very easily, which is a clear indication that it is not getting the proper strength.
लगने के बाद ये कंडीशन, ये खड्डे नहीं आए, ये खड्डे नहीं आए.
As you can see, if we put the other side of the back sheet, there are these type of marking which is coming up, along with the black color which is coming up. This is the back sheet we have done when the mark is upside. Mark is on the upside, not onto the EVA side. But as you can see, we can go in. We have done the marking on the EVA side, but
marking EVA side नहीं है इसमें, upper side है.
Now this is the second dummy. We are trying at 128 degrees for 20 minutes time. इसको एक बार आप चलो पकड़ लो. कुछ फर्क पड़ा स्ट्रेंथ पे नहीं?
हाँ कुछ है,
कुछ तो
लेकिन अगर इससे ज़्यादा करेंगे तो
एक बार उंगली से आप ट्राई कर लो, एक बार ट्राई करते रहो एक बार।
देखो इससे फाड़ दो।
इधर नहीं उखड़
नहीं यार
क्या आराम से ऐसे पूरा दम लगाना पड़ रहा। अब ये क्या वजह मान रहे हैं अपन कि जैसे यहाँ पर ये कम हो गया और यहाँ पर ये ज़्यादा, मतलब फोर्स वाइज
आदमी फोर्स बैक सीट ऊपर डबल बैक सीट हो गई है, डबल बैक सीट हो रही है, वो नीचे वाले के ऊपर डबल हो गई, इधर की बैक सीट के ऊपर डबल हो गई है ना, इसलिए